It's been just more than a month since Martin Dearden got the devastating news that his 23-year-old son was dead. Still struggling to deal with it. He didn't want to go on camera, but he did tell me somebody should be held accountable. The question now is who? It was October 25th, and this was the horrific scene in La Vista. A car crumpled when a concrete truck tipped over on top of it. The two men inside, friends Phil Hertel and Michael Dearden, died instantly.
This is a tragedy no matter how anyone looks at it.
Deputy Sarpy County Attorney Ben Perlman is now looking over all the details from that day outlined in this lengthy final crash report.
The investigators are very thorough. It's not just going to the scene, taking witness statements and putting together a narrative. It's double checking things, triple checking things.
His review will determine if the truck driver, 20-year-old Austin Holloway, will face any charges. Perlman considering everything from witness reports to accident reconstruction.
Every vehicle is different. Every roadway is different. Gravel, pavement, everything's always got to be considered.
We spoke with Michael Dearden's father by phone. He says he wants the driver prosecuted if he was negligent. Martin Dearden also tells us he puts more fault on a corporation that puts a 20-year-old in that kind of equipment. It was a different response from the Hertels. Their attorney saying, as far as Philip's family is concerned, whether or not criminal charges are filed is of no concern. They recognize it as a terrible accident. In the end, it's up to this man. The deputy county attorney plans to make a decision by the end of the week. And we do know the families are considering potential civil action in this case. They've already filed some required documents in probate court. Rob, back to you.